Students, now you are going to learn about geometric progression. For in the previous topic is arithmetic progression. First you listen the geometric progression, then we have to compare these two, arithmetic progression and geometric progression. For that is, for a definition, a geometric progression is a sequence in which each term is obtained by multiplying fixed non-zero number to the preceding term. Preceding means before. Preceding term except the first term. The fixed number called common ratio. The fixed number is called a common ratio. The common ratio is usually denoted by R. For this arithmetic progression, for we used as a addition of numbers. For here we are used as a multiplying the fixed non-zero numbers, they're adding the non-zero, adding the numbers. So common ratio that denoted by D, for here their common difference, here common ratio. So that is D, for here R. In this geometric progression, short form is GP, general form A, AR, AR square, AR cube, etc. A is the first number, R means that is a common ratio. For it is, for how you have to check it is in a geometric progression, that is R is equal to T2 by T1 equal to T3 by T2 equal to T4 by T5. So now general term, Tn equal to A into R power n minus 1. Tn equal to A into R power n minus 1. For in this geometric progression, three consecutive terms how you have to consider, that is A by R, A, AR. For these three we have to consider for the consecutive terms, that is A by R, A, AR. Exercise 2.7 first problem. For which of the following sequences are in GP? For that is 3, 9, 27, 81, etc. Second problem 4, 44, 404, 4444, sorry 4, 44, 444, 4444, etc. That is third problem 0.5, 0.05, 0.005, etc. The fourth problem 1 by 3, 1 by 6, 1 by 12, etc. Fifth problem 1, minus 5, 25, minus 125. Sixth problem 120, 60, 120, 60, 30, 18. The sixth problem 16, 4, 1, 1 by 4, etc. For this first question, for in this geometric progression 3, 9, 27, 81, how we have to check? We have to find the ratio. It is a T1, T2, T3, T4, etc. T2 by T1, that is 9 by 3, that is equal to 3. Next T3 by T2. For T2 by T1, next T3 by T2, that is 27 by, that is equal to 3. T2 by T1 equal to T3 by T2. The given sequence is GP. Third question 0.5, 0.05, 0.005, etc. For here it is T1, T2, T3, T2 by T1. 0.05 by 0.5. You got to remove the decimal. For maximum decimal places is 2 decimal places. So multiple by 100, both numerator and denominator. So this is written as 5. This is 50. 0.5 into 100, that is a 50. It is 1 5 is 5, 10 5s are 50, that is equal to 1 by 10. T3 by T2 you have to find 0.005 by 0.05. For maximum decimal place is 3, so you have to multiple by 1000 numerator and multiple by 1000 in numerator and denominator. So this become 5, this become 50. So it is 1 by 10. Now T2 by T1 equal to T3 by T2. The given equation in a GP. The second problem, try yourself. The next fourth problem 1 by 3, 1 by 6, 1 by 12, etc. T2, T1, T2, T3. T2 is 1 by 6 by 1 by 3. For this is 1 by 6 by 1 by 3. So that is equal to 1 by 6 into 3 by 1. So cancelling is possible. It is 1 by 2. Next 1 by 12 by 1 by 6. So 1 by 12 into 6 by directly written, that is equal to 1 by 2. So T2 by T1 equal to T3 by T2, the given equation in a GP. Second question, for here write the first three terms of the GP whose first term and the common differences given below. A equal to 6, R equal to 3. A equal to root 2, R equal to root 2. A equal to 1000, R equal to 2 by 5. Find the first question. First question, A equal to 6, R equal to 3. The first term is 6, common ratio is 3. The first three terms of GP is general term, that is AR square. A is 6, A into R, 6 into 3, 6 into 3 square. So that is 6, 6 3s are 18, 6 into 9, 54. So the three terms 6, 18, 54. Second question, A equal to root 2, R equal to root 2. The first three terms of a GP is AR square, that is root 2, AR root 2 into root 2. Next root 2 into root 2 whole square, that is root 2 into root 2, 2. For here it is 2, 2 into root 2, 2 root 2. So root 2, 2, 2 root 2, etc. Remaining sums, try yourself. Third question, in a GP 729, 243, 81, etc. Find T7. Seventh term we want to find. In this third problem, the given sequence is 729, 243, 81, etc. The first term is 729, second term is 243. For it is 729A, R equal to T2 by T1. T2 is 243. T1 is 729. May cancel 3 table. 8 3s are 24, 1 3 is 3. For it is 2 3s are 6, balance 1, 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Again 9th table, 9 9s are 81. 2 9s are 18, balance 6, 7 9s are 63. Then it's 9th day, 1 times, 3 times. So R equal to 1 by 3. General term of the general form of the geometric progression, Tn is equal to A into R power n minus 1. We want to find seventh term. T7 equal to A value 729, that is given 729 into R we found, that is 1 by 3 whole power 7 minus 1. 729 into, that is here 1 by 3 power 6. So that is 1 by 3 whole power 6, that is 1 by 3 power 6. So this value is 3 power 6 into 1 by 3 power 6, that is equal to 1. The 729 is 729 is 3 power 6. So how we have to find it is 3 table, 2 times, 4 times, 3 times, then 3 table, 8, 1, then again 3 table, 27, again 3 table, 9, 3, 3, 3, 1. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 3 power 6. Fourth question, find x so that x plus 6, x plus 12 and x plus 15 are consecutive terms of a geometric progression. We want to find x value. In the question itself given, the three terms are in a GP. So first take and write the three terms x plus 6, x plus 12, x plus 15 are in GP. Then it have to satisfy the geometric progression condition T2 by T1 equal to T3 by T2. It is T1, T2, T3. So that is x plus 12 by x plus 6 is equal to x plus 15 by x plus 12. Now you have to make a cross multiplication. So that is x plus 12 into x plus 12, x plus 6 into x plus 15. So remove the bracket, that is x square, 12x, then again 12x, it is 144. So that is x square, x into x, x square, then that is for here 6x is there, here 15x is there, so totally 21x. 15 into 6 is 90. Now you have to simplify. The x value is 24x minus, for a transpose this the right hand side value, that is minus 21x, for 90 minus 144. So you have to subtract this, 3x equal to minus 54. So 1 3 is 3, 18 times it is. So x is equal to minus 18. Fifth question, find the number of terms in the following GP 4, 8, 16, etc. 8192. Second problem, 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 1 by 27, etc. 1 by 2187. For this fifth question, we want to find the number of terms we want to find. So the first term is 4, second term is 8. The difference we want to, ratio we want to find, that is 8 by 4. 8 by 4, that is 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8. So r equal to 2, n value we want to find. Tn equal to, the last term is given, Tn equal to 8192. So Tn formula a into r power n minus 1, that is equal to 8192. So that is, for a value is 4, r value is 2, whole power n minus 1 into 8192. For it is, for 1 4 is 4, for here 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, 0, 4 are 16, by 8 4s are 32. Here 3 balance is there, so here it is 32, 8. So 2 power n minus 1 equal to 2 power 11. The base are same, we have to equate the powers. The base are same, so we have to equate the powers. N minus 1 equal to 11. So n equal to 11 plus 1, that is equal to 12. For here the base are same, we have to equate the powers. N minus 1 equal to 11, n equal to 11 plus 1, that is equal to 12. For the second problem, 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 1 by 27, etc. 1 by 2187. It is a T1, T2, T3, etc. For it is the last term. For A equal to 1 by 3, R equal to 1 by 9 by 1 by 3. That is 1 by 9 into 3 by 1. So 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9, that is equal to 1 by 3. We want to find n value. Tn equal to 1 by 2187. So Tn formula you have to write. Then for this one, A value 1 by 3, for here 1 by 3 whole power n minus 1, that is equal to 2187. Now 1 by 3 whole power n minus 1, that 1 by 3 left hand side 1 by 3 moves to this side, that's become 3 by 1. So cancelling is possible one time. For it is 729, 7 3s are 21, 2 3s are 6, balance to 9 3s are 27. So 1 by 3 whole power n minus 1 equal to 1 by 729. So that is, for a 729 is a 3 power 6 value. So that is 1 by 3 whole power 6. We have to make the base as same. So base are same, we have to equate the powers. That is n minus 1 equal to 6. So n equal to this minus 1 you have to transpose to this side. So n is equal to 7.